There are a lot of job openings in the United Kingdom, and the reason you're probably not getting it is because you're not using the right search engines. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get jobs with visa sponsorship in the United Kingdom.
Attention passengers, we've now reached our destination. We hope you enjoyed the flight and have a nice day.
Hello, everyone. You're welcome. This is your one and only Wakawaka doctor, always bringing the best gist when it comes to travel and migration. You know how we do it on this channel. All we do is share vital information with regards to living, working, moving abroad, studying abroad, permanent residency, opportunities, and stuff like that. If this is the first time of you watching me, I want to say thank you very much. You're not going to regret it. This is where you want to be. And if you've always watched me in the past, I want to say thank you very much for coming back again. Just before I dive into the video of today, I want to share with you an app that's changing the world all over the place. It's an international calling app called Yola Calls International. If you're tired of dealing with outrageous international calling rates or drop calls, then you're in for a treat. Now, Yola is a game changer in the world of international calls, and let me tell you why. First things first, Yola offers you super low rates for international calls. You know, I always give you the best gist. So this is one thing. International calls, low rates, you want to try Yola. You can connect with your friends, family, and colleagues worldwide without burning a hole in your wallet. This is very important, okay? To set it up is a breeze, very quick. Download the app, sign up, and boom, you're ready to make your international calls. The interface is user-friendly, making it very perfect for anyone who's interested, and they have a very hassle-free experience. Wait, there's one more thing. Yola offers you a fantastic feature, which is virtual local numbers. That means your friends abroad can call you at local rates, which makes it easier and more affordable for everyone. The Yola app allows you to reach people even in places that don't have internet or cell coverage. The people you want to call require neither the Yola app or even a smartphone. Any device made for phone calls will accept calls from Yola. For example, you can easily call a bank or a hotel from any country. You can be verified as your phone number will be displayed. So whether you're a traveler, whether you have friends and family abroad, whether you like to make international calls, I want you to give the Yola app a try. They've got excellent customer service to ensure you have a very seamless experience. Because I'm Wakawaka Doctor, I've also got an interesting offer for you. Download the Yola app using the link in the description box, and you will get a 30% top-up bonus on your Yola account. If you already know what Yola is and you use Yola, apply the promo code Wakawaka in the app. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Let's get down right into the business of the day. Let me quickly say this, that for you to be able to get jobs in the United Kingdom, your CV must be appropriate for the United Kingdom. You need, probably only 2% of CVs go through the first round of visa applications. That is why. So it's important that while you're submitting for these jobs, I'm going to be showing you, your CV is appropriate for the jobs. Your CV is appropriate for the United Kingdom. Don't make it too long. Don't make it boring. There's a United Kingdom style CV. Here's a sample of a United Kingdom style CV, which you can just take a screenshot and save or whatever you want to do. Another thing you can do is to use a website called resume.io, resume.io. That website can generate a CV for you. Okay, now, two websites that I think you can use to get jobs with visa sponsorship in the United Kingdom. Number one is findajob.dwp.gov.uk. Findajob.dwp.gov.uk. You would see the website. It opens up and you can go into the search bar and type in visa plus sponsorship. Location is still the United Kingdom, or you can even put skilled plus worker plus visa, okay? And then search. You would see a long list of jobs, okay, that would show up, and these jobs have visa sponsorship. You need to make sure you go through the job description of all the jobs you find that suit your skills and make sure that they have visa sponsorship. Make sure that they have visa sponsorship, okay? Let's take a look at a couple of these ones. Look at this one that I found. There's a visa sponsorship role. This is another one that I found. There is a visa sponsorship role. And take a look at this one as well. There's a visa sponsorship role. Now, there are more than 50,000 job openings, so you have to take a look at them carefully. And these jobs keep updating themselves every time. So you have to be patient, you have to be consistent, you have to be committed to this, okay? The second website I want you to check is an official government website. Go on your Google and type Licensed Sponsors UK. We're trying to look for companies that have the ability to offer you certificate of sponsorship, visa sponsorship. So you go on Google and type Licensed Sponsors UK. The first website that jumps at you is the website of the government, United Kingdom government, okay? And you would see gov.uk. Click on it. Once you click on it, you scroll down, you will see where you find documents, okay? Click on that document. Scroll down and you will see view online, okay? You would see that this is recent, it's 2024. So once you click on view online, you will see a long list of different companies that can hire with certificate of sponsorship. Your own job is to now pick the companies one after the other, post in your browser, use Google, use whatever browser it is you have to check out the companies, go to their career section and see if they've got positions that match your own skill. Like I said, it's a very tedious procedure. You have to be patient. You have to be committed to it. So you have to take those jobs one after the other, put in your browser, go to their official website, check if they've got, they've got career section, go into their career section. Have they got openings? The roles that suit me? Am I an engineer? Am I a teacher? You look at the companies one after the other and apply, or you write to their human resources manager, human resources department, and write a short cover letter, and that would also help you with applications. Okay, is that okay? I hope this certainly helps. Another thing I'd like to share quickly is that when you're looking for jobs abroad, irrespective of the company, whether it's the country, whether it's the UK, Canada, Luxembourg, Germany, whatever country, make sure you have the skills that they are looking for, okay? And do not fall prey to scammers and agents that were going to say, okay, I'm going to do a work visa for you, pay $20,000. Work visa for what? You don't have the skill for that job. How are you getting the work visa? Don't fall into that kind of scam, all right? Make sure you have the skill required. That is why these days I tell people to acquire a skill, tech skill, or you acquire a skill from a vocational college, or you acquire a skill going through the normal traditional system of education, the whole university degree to become an engineer, a teacher, a doctor, a lawyer, whatever. You must have the skill for you to be able to apply to those jobs. There are also other there are other ways for which you can apply for jobs in different countries. And I usually would post this kind of videos and links on my Instagram page. So you can check out my Instagram page. I have loads and loads of recruitment agencies that help to get jobs in different parts of the world. I'll give you a few examples. You can check out a few recruitment agencies like Labor World, Altis, ALTIS Recruitment, Drake Recruitment, Impact Recruitment. There's Pinnacle Canada, PINNACLE Canada. There's KPM Staffing. There's Resolve Recruits Incorporated. There's Express Employment. There's also Summit Search Group, Summit, SUMMIT Search Group. These are recruitment agencies that you can simply just Google and go through those, their official website. Another thing that you should not forget to do is to use your LinkedIn app. Use your LinkedIn app, optimize it, and you can also use that to search for jobs. I hope this video has helped you with how to get jobs with visa sponsorship in the United Kingdom. Till I see you again in another video, it's Wakawaka Doctor. and I'm signing out.